இனி வீட்லயே பானிபூரி செய்யலாம் எல்லாரும்.
ஆச்சி பானிபூரி கிட்.
Anti-Hindi agitation is the life and soul of Tamil Nadu. Thousands and thousands of students and youngsters were shot dead in 1965 agitation. So, Ariya Ranna, when he was the chief minister, passed the resolution unanimously that Tamil and English only, two language. We don't want Hindi. We will never accept Hindi. This is the background. But the Minister of Education, Dharmendra Pradhan, with all arrogance, he said, uncivilized people are Tamil MPs, Tamil people, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister. How dare he says like that? He should tender apology. He says, I have withdrawn, nothing doing. You should tender apology. You have wounded our hearts. You have wounded the hearts of Tamils and Tamil Nadu, entire Tamil Nadu. The entire Tamil Nadu is banning over this issue. So, you should tender apology. Otherwise, Mr. Prime Minister, you should throw him out from your cabinet. Oh, Prime Minister, you throw Narendra Pradhan from your cabinet. Dharmendra Pradhan.
இனி வீட்லயே பானிபூரி செய்யலாம் எல்லாரும்.
ஆச்சி பானிபூரி கிட்.